Hey, in this lesson, we're just going to learn how to draw a rectangle and a circle in P5JS. It's going to be cool stuff. It's going to be really cool stuff. So here's a worksheet I passed out in class, but it's just a good reference. Let's say I wanted to draw this square right here in P5JS. All right. What you have to know is just 4 pieces of information, and we're going to cover those 4 pieces right now. The first thing you need to know is the top left-hand corner. Where are the coordinates of the top left-hand corner? Well, for this square, it's at 40, 40. That is the top left-hand corner of our square. 40, 40. That is the x and y coordinate. Now, the next 2 pieces of information that we need are the width and the height. So the width, all right, and the height. Now, each one of these boxes, you'll see there's 3 here, represent 20, from 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. You see that these are 20 each, so if there's 3 boxes, that means our width is 60. Sorry if that was a little fast. You might want to pause the video, but we have a width of 60. We also have 3 boxes for the height, so that would also represent 3 times 20, which is 60. So we have a width and height of 60. So once we know the top left-hand corner, the width and the height, it's very easy to program a rectangle. So if you have a draw, all you have to do is use the word rect, so that will make a rectangle, and you put in those 4 numbers. 40, 40, right? That's the top left-hand corner coordinates. 60 for the width, 60 for the height. So just to review that again, the top left-hand corner is 40, 40. So you always use the top left-hand corner of whatever box you want to make. See, all these boxes, you use the top left-hand corner. And then the width and the height. So our width and height are 60 and 60. When I press play, boom! Look, I got a square there. I would challenge you to pause the video right now and see if you can make this rectangle in your P5JS editor. If you have done that, or maybe you haven't, let's just try doing this together. This has an upper left-hand corner of 180 for X and 20 for Y. The width, oh my God, this is so ugly, is 160, and the height is 40. So if I want to draw this rectangle, the X and Y coordinates are 180 and 20. The width is 160 and the height is 40. So let's try drawing that now. Rect. Okay, we said 180 and 20 for the top left-hand corner. And then we have 160 for the width, 40 for the height. What a memory. And you'll see, hey, look, it looks about the same. Huh? Oh, that's the wrong thing. Huh? That's kind of cool. We got those. Now to do a circle, all you need is 3 numbers. All you need to know is the center and the diameter. So the center of this circle is at 160, 180. So the X is 160, the Y is 180. So those are the first 2 things we need. And then we need the diameter. The diameter goes from one end of the circle to the other end. So if you count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, right? Or in other words, if each box is 20, that would be 80 across. So we have 80 units across. So our center is 160, 180, and it's 80 across. So to now code that circle, all we do is take those numbers. Ah, I broke it. We do ellipse is the command for a circle. Ellipse. All right. Ellipses can also be ovals. I'm not going to get into that whole thing, but an ellipse is a command for a circle. So what you can do here is just put in those numbers. So it was, I think, 180, 160. That was the center. And now we put the diameter, which was 80. So this only takes in 3 parameters or 3 numbers. And when we press play, boom. And that's it. That's the whole lesson today. So just to review, if you want to make a rectangle, you need the top left-hand corner, right? That's the X and Y coordinate, the width and the height. All right. I'll even comment that in. Rect, it's X, Y, width, and height. Watch this. I'm going to do this thing called comment it out. Okay. So, all right. And then for an ellipse, to draw one, what you need is the X and Y of the center. So X and Y, and then you need the diameter, which will represent by D. And that will give you an ellipse. So rectangle, X, Y, width, height, ellipse, X, Y of the center, and the diameter. And that's all you got to do. All right, peace out, and kiss your cat for me. Because if you've got a cat, you need some love. All cats need love. I know that they pretend like they don't need love, but they need love. Give them some love. Bye.